Hello guys, in today's video, I'll show you how you can easily add a digital signature block in your PDF documents so anybody else can easily sign into your files. Let's begin. First, open up your Acrobat Reader, and then once you're here, I want you to go to the homepage first. Click on Tools or See All Tools, and you just need to find this option, Prepare a Form. Click on Open, then select a file. I'm just going to choose any random file, this one, then create form. From here, you will now have the opportunity to add the digital signature right over here. Click on it, then just simply add this wherever you want. I'm just going to add it over here so you can see it clearly. You can add more than one, by the way. But once you're done, just make sure to click on preview and see how it works. So you can even interact with this, configure digital ID, and that's how you can easily check that it is working. You can now click on exit, and before saving, just make sure to configure everything else on your file and you are good to go. And that's it. That's how you can easily get this done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.